Hello, future scientists. Welcome to the Sunshine Factory, where we unlock the secrets of the sun and discover how its incredible energy can power our lives. Imagine a world where the light shining down on us every day is turned into electricity that runs our homes, schools, and even the devices you love to use. Have you ever wondered how we capture the sun's power? It's not magic, it's science. Every ray of sunlight that touches the earth carries energy, and with the right technology, we can catch that energy and use it to make our world brighter and cleaner. Today, we'll explore the amazing technology that turns sunlight into electricity: solar power. Solar panels are like special collectors that soak up sunlight and transform it into energy we can use. But there's so much more to it than just the panels you see on rooftops. It's more than just panels on a roof. It's a smart system working together to power our world. Solar energy systems include inverters, batteries, and lots of clever engineering to make sure the electricity flows safely and efficiently to where it's needed most. Solar energy is clean, quiet, and comes from a source that won't run out for billions of years. Unlike fossil fuels, which can pollute our air and water, solar power is gentle on the planet. It helps keep our skies blue and our environment healthy for people, animals, and plants. We'll dive into how it all works, from the tiniest particles in a solar panel called solar cells that capture sunlight, to massive solar farms that can power entire cities. You'll see how each part plays a role in creating clean energy for everyone. Get ready to meet the different types of solar panels, each with their own special abilities. Some are super efficient, some are flexible, and others are designed for big projects or small gadgets. We'll learn how scientists and engineers keep making them better every year. And we'll discover the essential components that make solar energy possible, like inverters that change sunlight into usable electricity, and batteries that store energy for when the sun goes down. Every piece is important in making sure solar power is always ready when we need it. So put on your imaginary lab coats and let's explore the fantastic world of solar technology together. We'll experiment, ask questions, and find out how you can be a part of the solar revolution, whether at home, at school, or in your community. Are you excited? Let's begin our journey into the tech behind solar energy and discover how we can all be part of this bright, sunny future. The adventure starts now. Let's shine together. Have you ever wondered how a simple, flat panel on your roof can turn sunlight into the electricity that powers your home? It might seem like magic, but it's actually a fascinating process rooted in science and engineering. Let's take a closer look at how sunlight is transformed into usable power. The key to this transformation is the photovoltaic cell, often called a PV cell. These tiny but powerful components are the heart of every solar panel. PV cells are made from silicon, which is one of the most abundant elements on Earth. In fact, silicon comes from sand, the same kind you find at the beach. But before it can be used in solar panels, it has to be purified and carefully processed. Scientists and engineers work in high-tech labs and factories to purify silicon and shape it into thin wafers. These wafers are then assembled into solar cells, ready to capture the sun's energy. Each solar cell is built like a microscopic sandwich with two special layers. The top layer, called the N layer, is packed with extra electrons, while the bottom layer, the P layer, has spaces where electrons are missing. This unique structure is what allows the cell to generate electricity. When sunlight shines on the solar cell, it brings energy in the form of tiny particles called photons. These photons hit the silicon and knock electrons loose from their atoms, setting the stage for electricity to flow. Inside the cell, an electric field between the two layers acts like a gatekeeper. It pushes the freed electrons in one direction and the empty spaces or holes in the opposite direction. This movement creates a steady flow of electrical current. Metal strips called contacts are attached to the surface of the cell. These act like tiny highways, allowing the electrons to travel out of the cell and into wires, forming an electric circuit. This is the electricity that can be used to power lights, appliances, and more. This entire process happens silently and instantly, billions of times every second, in every solar panel exposed to sunlight. There are no moving parts, no noise, and no pollution, just pure, clean energy being created from the sun's rays. The electricity generated by your solar panels travels through your home, powering everything from your refrigerator to your phone charger. It's a seamless process that brings the power of the sun right into your daily life. So the next time you flip a switch or charge your device, remember, it's not magic, it's science in action, harnessing the sun's energy to make your world brighter and more sustainable. Not all solar panels are the same. When you look at a rooftop covered in solar panels, it might seem like they're all identical, but there's actually a fascinating variety behind those shiny surfaces. The type of solar panel you choose can make a big difference in how much energy you generate, how much you spend, and even how your installation looks. There are three main types of solar panels you'll find on the market today: monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Each has its own unique characteristics, advantages, and best use scenarios. Monocrystalline panels are made from a single, pure silicon crystal, which gives them their signature sleek black appearance. These panels are the most efficient at converting sunlight into electricity, often reaching efficiency rates above 20%. Because of their high efficiency, they're ideal for places where space is limited, like small rooftops or urban environments. They also tend to last longer and perform better in low-light conditions, making them a premium choice for many homeowners and businesses. Polycrystalline panels, on the other hand, are made from many silicon fragments melted together. This process gives them a distinctive, blue, mosaic-like look. While they're a bit less efficient than monocrystalline panels, usually ranging from 15% to 17% efficiency, they're more affordable to produce. This makes them a popular choice for larger installations where space isn't as much of a concern, like solar farms or big commercial rooftops. If you're looking for a balance between cost and performance, polycrystalline panels are a solid option. Then there are thin film panels, which are quite different from the other two. Instead of using silicon wafers, thin film panels are created by depositing layers of photovoltaic material onto a surface, making them lightweight and flexible. They can be installed on curved or irregular surfaces, and are often used for portable solar products like chargers or backpacks, as well as on buildings where traditional panels wouldn't fit. While they're generally less efficient and may require more space, their versatility opens up new possibilities for solar energy use. Each type of solar panel has its own strengths. Monocrystalline panels are best for high efficiency and limited space. Polycrystalline panels offer a budget-friendly way to generate solar power, especially when you have plenty of room. Thin film panels stand out for their flexibility and lightweight design, making them perfect for unique applications and portable solutions. Choosing the right panel depends on your specific needs, your budget, and where you plan to install them. Are you looking to maximize power in a small area, save on upfront costs, or power something on the go? There's a solar panel type that fits every situation. Thanks to these different technologies, solar panels can be installed almost anywhere, from city rooftops and rural fields to remote cabins and even on vehicles or portable devices. This adaptability is what makes solar energy such a powerful and accessible solution for people all over the world. Solar technology is as diverse as the places it powers. No matter where you are or what your needs may be, there's a solar panel out there ready to help you harness the sun's energy and make a positive impact on the planet. Solar panels are just one part of the team. A complete solar system includes panels, an inverter, mounting hardware, and sometimes a battery. Panels capture sunlight and turn it into direct current, DC, electricity. The inverter converts DC into alternating current, AC, which powers your home. Mounting hardware keeps panels secure and angled for maximum sunlight. Batteries store extra energy for use at night or on cloudy days with a charge controller to protect them. Smart inverters can even communicate with the power grid to keep everything running smoothly. Each part plays a crucial role in delivering clean, reliable power. That's how solar energy works around the clock. Solar energy is everywhere, from rooftops to deserts. Homeowners use solar panels to cut electricity bills and sometimes send extra power back to the grid. Businesses install large arrays on rooftops and parking lots, saving money and showing their commitment to the environment. Utility-scale solar farms cover vast areas, generating enough electricity for entire cities. In remote places, solar power brings electricity to cabins, research stations, and villages far from power lines. Portable panels help campers and hikers charge devices anywhere. Solar energy is changing lives, from big cities to the most remote corners of the globe. It's clean, reliable, and making a difference everywhere. That's the power of the sun in action. Solar technology keeps getting better. Bifacial panels capture sunlight on both sides, boosting energy production. Perovskite solar cells are a new, flexible material that could make solar panels cheaper and more efficient. Tandem cells combine perovskite and silicon to capture more sunlight and break efficiency records. Solar panel recycling is growing, letting us recover valuable materials and reduce waste. Smart inverters now help manage energy flow, store power in batteries, and even charge electric vehicles. These innovations make solar energy more powerful and sustainable than ever. The future of solar is bright, with new ideas making clean energy even better. Solar tech is always evolving. Who knows what's next? Did you know the sun delivers more energy to Earth in 1 hour than we use in a whole year? Space-based solar power could one day collect energy in orbit and beam it down to Earth. Some animals, like the painted turtle, use sunlight to stay healthy, nature's own solar collectors. Photons from the sun take just over 8 minutes to reach us, and the electricity they create travels at nearly the speed of light. When you flip a switch in a solar-powered home, you're using energy that was on the sun just minutes ago. Solar energy connects us directly to our star. How cool is that? Solar energy is incredibly kind to our planet. Unlike fossil fuels, solar panels don't release greenhouse gases or use much water. They're perfect for dry, sunny places and help keep our air and water clean. Solar panels can go almost anywhere, on rooftops, in deserts, or even remote villages. This means we can generate power right where it's needed, reducing the need for long power lines. Every solar panel is a step toward a cleaner, safer world. Solar power is about technology and our commitment to protecting the Earth. By choosing solar, we're building a brighter future for everyone. We've explored the science and technology behind solar energy, from PV cells to the latest innovations. Now it's your turn to be a solar explorer. Look for panels in your neighborhood and see if you can spot different types. Try simple solar experiments at home with a grown-up. Build a solar-powered car or fan. Stay curious and keep asking questions about how things work. The more you learn, the more you'll understand the importance of clean energy. Maybe you'll invent the next big solar breakthrough. Thanks for joining this sunny adventure. Remember, every time you see the sun, you're looking at our biggest source of clean energy. Keep exploring and imagining a brighter, cleaner future.